Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and I'm just another review guy. In today's review, we're going to be reviewing this, the Milwaukee saw. And we're not actually going to be reviewing the product or how well it's built, but the fact is that when I picked up this saw at a strictly a price point for $129, I thought I was getting this, which I actually bought 3 years ago for $99 from Milwaukee. Okay, and we're going to go over some of the differences and what they've changed and how they've doubled the price of their equipment, and that's what we're going to talk about. So first off, let's look at the first one, the new one. This is the 6.5-inch circular saw by Milwaukee. Price point at Home Depot is $119. Okay. This particular saw is part of the M18 family. It's not the fuel system. It does come with a bigger table, but the difference is there's no belt hook here for your belt, and the little sliding protector thing, it's plastic, not like the magnesium metal, which I guess the plastic's cool because, you know, 3 years ago, one of my employees, some fat ass, he doesn't work for me no more, he stepped on the tool and actually broke this off. Now I don't know if you would be able to break this on the plastic one as easily by stepping on it one time, but I don't know. The RPMs on this machine, this new one from Milwaukee, is only 3,500 RPM. Okay, 3,500. It's not the fuel, but it does have the Red Link intelligence, which monitors temperature, battery, blah blah, bunch of stuff, shit that you can look it up online if you want. It does come with the frameless motor with the rare earth magnets, just like the 219 one. So 1,500 or 3,500 RPM with the blade. Significantly slower than what we've been using. Now guys, like I said, we're not testing the product, we're not cutting any wood, but when I went in to get a replacement saw, this was the only one they had, but at the price point, I figured, well, okay, the last one I bought was $99, 20% because of COVID, it's been 3 years, whatever. I picked it up, then I realized it's not exactly what I was looking for. So guys, this unit here, which is a non-working unit, burned up internally during a job. We've used it on the job for about 3 years. 3 years ago, I paid $99 for this, and as you can see, this is like a magnesium metal, but right here you'll see where the little handle used to be. One of my employees stepped on it, broke it off. The table is a lot wider, or smaller, sorry. The table's not as wide. And right here doesn't have the measuring like the new one does, but this tool spins at 5,000 RPM. Is part of the M18 family. 6.5-inch blade, which these are the spider blades from Lowe's, which are freaking, they're amazing blades. We probably, you know, we like to change our blades every few jobs anyways, just to keep things nice and clean, but these blades are pretty good for the money. Pretty amazing, actually. We are big fans of Diablo blades, but they keep raising their prices. This Lowe's Spider works pretty damn well, just for framing. So just for a comparison on speed, this is Milwaukee's 7 1/4, I think. This is the brushless fuel system. Back when this came out with a 12 battery, or a 12-volt battery, whatever it was 500 bucks. This one spins at 5,800 RPM. You can really tell the difference between 35, but like this one has the clutch to stop it. This one has the same safety feature. So really, it's not a video bitching about anything, because as long as this cuts the wood efficiently, we'll find out on tomorrow's job site how well it does when we're ripping 2x4s and ripping fence boards and deck boards or whatever. We'll see how well this machine handles the job. And if it doesn't, then we'll upgrade to the next one up for 220, which is actually this one now. They're charging 220 for it. They added a couple extra features, of course. It's been 3 years, but so it is a little bit better. I think it has the Bluetooth on it, and you can adjust some settings, whatever. Shit we don't care about. We're just trying to build without having to change batteries every 5 minutes like a Ryobi. Another thing I noticed is, you can see the housing here sticks out about an extra inch more than the fuel. So I'm not sure why that is. If the motor's bigger, not sure. I'm not taking it apart to find out. Guys, anyways, quick review. That was a fast review on the Milwaukee circular saw 6.5 inch M18 system. I think everything is now the M18 with Milwaukee. And as always, if you want to know some specs, the new machine here, it's 3,500 RPM. It has a 50-degree bevel. Comes with a standard framing blade, which will burn that up on the first job. This is made out of aircraft aluminum. I wish this was made out of the aircraft aluminum, but we'll see how well it handles the job. And the weight comes in at about 8.5 pounds without the battery. With the battery, it's probably close to 9. So as always, guys, that's a quick review. If you're interested in some Milwaukee products, links will be in the description below. Like this video, subscribe if I've earned your subscription. Dislike this video if you just hate Milwaukee. Wait, don't do that. Hold on. Just dislike the video if you don't like the video, right? Because if you hate Milwaukee, I don't want how my video gets screwed up because of that. But I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, it's hot out today. It's about 97 degrees. I'm sweating my balls off doing this video, but I wanted to try to get something out to you this week. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.